Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Easy Tutorials, and for those of you who are the first time in this channel, please consider subscribing. This is what we'll learn to do today. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to support me on Patreon. You can also get access to all my premium content. So let's start. First, create a new composition. For this example, I'm using the Full HD 1080 pixels preset with 30 frames per second and 4 seconds long. Right-click in this area, and create a new shape layer. To make it more visible, I will change its scale to 400%. Now, let's add some shapes. First I will add a rectangle. Then a star. A circle. And a triangle. To make a triangle from this polystar, don't forget to open its options, and change the points number to 3. Let's add a fill color too. I will use a white color. Now, you have to right-click on each shape you've created, and convert it to bezier path. Open each of your 4 new paths, and create a keyframe. Then select the shape layer, and click Q on your keyboard to reveal all the keyframes created. As you remember, each path represents the initial shape we've created. So, select the star keyframe, click Ctrl+C to copy it, then select the rectangle path, move to 1 second, and click Ctrl+V to paste the new path on it. Repeat the action with the circle and the triangle paths too. Don't forget to select each time the main path, before pasting the new paths. To create the loop as in the example, select the first keyframe too, copy it, and paste it at the end of your composition. Now, you can select the last 3 shape paths, and delete them. Your shape morphing animation should look like this. Now, if you're wondering how to make the color transition, follow my steps. Place your playhead at the beginning of the timeline. And open the fill options. Create a keyframe here, then change the color with your first desired color. Move to each path keyframe, and change to a new color. Don't forget that the last color should be the same as the first color, to create a loop animation. Let's check our final result. You can use this method to morph custom shapes too. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial on how to morph shapes in After Effects. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you guys have any idea for future episodes, please comment it in the comment section below. I'll see you guys later. Bye.